Alright, here is my review of the AUTOBOO wiper blades that I'm installing on my 2021 Toyota Highlander. These of course fit also the 2020 model and the 2022. This is a pack of 3, so you have a back wiper blade and then 2 front wiper blades. And I really wanted these to be OEM quality. When I took them out of the packaging, when I installed them and used them, I've been using them for about a week now. They definitely are OEM quality. They're great quality. And so that's why I'm making this review video, because I highly recommend them. So for this specific vehicle model, on the front you have a 26-inch wiper blade and an 18-inch wiper blade, and on the back you have a 10-inch wiper blade. So those are the exact measurements for the wiper blades that you need on this 2021 Highlander. The installation was very easy, taking off the old wiper blades, putting on the new. There are some instructions in the packaging, so if you're not really sure of what to do, you can take a look at those instructions, and that will lead you in the right direction. Now, the material being used with these wiper blades is stainless steel, quadruple A dual rubber, and so that's where the quality comes from, is from that material. And of course, it's being advertised as original factory quality, and I can confirm that they do in fact live up to that standard. So I really hope that this review was helpful to you. I really am very happy with these wiper blades, and so I highly recommend them because they're very high quality, and that's exactly what I wanted out of these wiper blades.